This Coldwell Banker Premier Realty property video is presented by Corey Archer. Picture perfect, updated home within walking distance to the university campus. This gorgeous home is move-in ready, pristine and maintenance-free. 1-year-old roof, new wood plank flooring as well original hardwood floors. Fiber optic internet installed. Delightful, one-level home has brand new windows, flooring, light fixtures, and faucets. Quiet location featuring 3-bed with 1 bath. Thank you for viewing. Schedule your showing soon. For more information, review the details below or contact Corey Archer at 479-979-7039.